Sound decibels. 90. Sound decibels. 96 a second.
Alright guys, we got this sexy 2023 M3 competition. And as you guys can see from here, we got this sexy Valvetronics Special Ops Designs M3, M4, full titanium system. Here's the wiring, here's everything that needs to go to it. Plug and play, other than running it to a cigarette lighter. But other than that, as you guys can see, it's a full-blown system. So we're gonna take off this massive muffler. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this beautiful Valvetronic system installed, and we'll let you guys hear it out. This stock system goes into a Valvetronic system. All the way back, look at that. From the manifolds back. There's the tips that go on it. A full titanium system, guys. Look at that. Really nice. All the way back. And it also replaces this plate with a Valvetronics plate. A lot cooler, a lot nicer. I like it. Let's see how easy of an install this will be. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Got this sexy M3 competition. BMW twin turbo. Love the color on this beast. So we showed you what it looked like and sounded like before. Here's what it looks like after. Converters are up there. There they are. And then Valvetronic came in. This is their version of making them equal length by doing this pipe, as you guys can see. So there it is. Then it goes into 3.5 inch, maybe 4 inch pipe. And then it winds back out all the way through. And then goes into this muffler, and there's valves on it. There's the valves right there and right there. So when the valves are closed, it goes through the muffler, through these two pipes. When the valves are open, it goes straight through on this side and this side. So valves closed, muffler. Valves open, straight pipe. Let me show you from this side, guys. Again, there's the valves there and there. So when you click the button, the valves open and makes it go straight pipe through. When the valves are closed, there and there, it goes into the muffler and then back out the center. All right, so it's really cool design, really cool titanium system all the way through. Just really pretty. Love it. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. We're about to drop it. So this is with the muffler, with the Valvetronics closed. You can see it's really quiet. Wow. There's sound decibels. 187, 91. This is valves open. Yes, much better. Wow, big difference. Here's sound decibels. Right at 115. So closed. Not bad. Still got a tone. Open. Not bad at all. Go ahead and back it out. I'm glad they changed the shifter on it where it goes like this. Dude, it used to be so confusing with the older shifter. Like I got into this one, I'm like, oh, this is so nice. Is the M4 the same way? Yeah. You got the convertible. That's sexy. We got an M4, guys, over there, and we might work on next. She's hiding. Nice. That's closed. Walk around with it closed again. So like far away, it's very quiet. Wow. This is with it open from far away. Big difference. That's open. Closed. Where'd that come from?
FBI, open up!
You guys ever wondered what the BMW looks like under the hood? She is M-Power cranked. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Try working on this thing. I still would buy one though. Got front camera, rear camera, side cameras, 360 cameras. Look at that engine, man. Ooh, twin turbo. Nothing but raw power. I'll let you guys see it. Carbon fiber on top. See it, guys? I love that. It's such a cool look. Sexy. Little antenna, then a little bit more carbon fiber accents. Those tips look so sexy on it. BMW M3 competition with a full Valvetronic system. It's finished off in sexy blue. Sounds phenomenal. Wow. There she is. There he goes clicking it. Yes. I love the shark fin. Let's see how fast this thing can go. I hear the marble. Yes, you can hear it. Wow, nice. You can still hear it.